Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming prerequisites, model compatibility and free storage, clear 510 GB if needed. Next, backup. Use iCloud or connect to a Mac and run Finder backup, then verify the backup date. Once done, plug the iPad into power and join a stable Wi-Fi network. This prevents interruptions and preserves battery. Now open Settings, tap General, and choose Software Update to start the download process. That initiates the update work. You tap Download and Install, then authenticate with your passcode or Face ID that grants permission to proceed. The download runs in the background. Make sure you keep Wi-Fi connected and power attached. Once the download completes, choose Install Now for immediate update or schedule for later. Scheduling is handy overnight. If you select Install Now, the iPad will prepare the update, reboot, and display a progress bar. Do not force restart during this step, because it can corrupt the installation. After the reboot, you'll complete quick setup prompts, sign back in, enable suggested settings, and review any new privacy options. Make sure apps finish updating in the App Store and verify your data is intact. If the update fails, first free storage and retry. If that does not work, connect to a Mac and update or restore via Finder, or use recovery mode to reinstall. Finally, if problems persist, contact Apple support, and remember you can restore from your backup to recover data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.